Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a weird position where for some reason you cannot get your photos allowed on your iPhone app, or you may not even know what that exactly means. So some apps out there like Snapchat, Instagram, all these different apps, they need access to your photos in order to actually, be able to use them. Now, a typical problem is you go and try to post a photo, but it says, Instagram isn't allowed access. Go change that in the settings. Now, in order to actually do this, let's just use Instagram for an example. What we want to do is we want to make our way over to our settings app. You can search for it up there, but typically it's usually on the home screen. Now, once you get onto your settings app, what we want to do is we want to scroll all the way down until we basically get into our apps section. So right here is our app section. Typically, if you see things like Fruit Ninja or whatever apps that you have that aren't Apple stock apps like Camera or Maps, you're typically in the right place. So what we want to do now is we want to find that app that we're talking about. So in this case, we're going to be using Instagram. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and tap on Instagram. And as you can see right now, I don't even have that app specifically, logged in or whatever. But let's go ahead and use Snapchat for an example. So Snapchat's right here. I can go and tap on it. And as you can see, there's a couple of different things that are here. There's microphone, camera, background app refresh. Now forget Snapchat too. Let's use Google Photos because this is the only one I had working. So what we want to do is we can go and tap on that specific app that's trying to get request of photos. And you can see right up here, I have photos as a very first option. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and tap on it. And you'll see that you basically have a couple of different options. You have selected photos, all photos, or none. Now, if you use selected photos, this will pretty much make it so whatever specific photos that we want them to have access to, we can go ahead and allow it. So if we want them to only have access to these photos, then we can go and allow it. However, and that's a new feature within iOS 14, so maybe not everyone has that. But if we go ahead and allow all photos, this pretty much means that if Instagram needs to, go and use any photo that we want to, or Snapchat or whatever, it'll just bring us our photo app instead of just those select photos, and we can pretty much just choose from there. So it's a pretty cool security feature that they have selected photos now, but in all honesty, all photos is probably the better way to go. Now, if you want to change that and have access to no photos, you go and click done and they won't be able to access any of those photos. But in this case, we want to click all photos. And at this point, we can go and hop out and we can go ahead and go into that any app that we wanted to. We can go to Google Photos, Snapchat, or whatever. And typically, it should end up working at this point. So that's really pretty much it. That's how to enable photos on your app. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.